Today we're looking at a really unique bowling ball from Storm. It's the brand new Ion Pro. The reason it's unique is it's the first ever asymmetric benchmark bowling ball ever created at Storm Products. So really exciting to see all the new technology coming out from Storm. This is, again, a really unique ball because of the asymmetry in it. Is it going to be more than a Phase 2, less than an IQ Tour? Is it going to fit right in the middle? I think it's going to depend on the layout you put on it. That's my take on it before I even throw it here today. But we're going to bowl one full game, see how I do with the ball reaction, hopefully have a really nice high score as well to go along with this awesome bowling ball. So here it is, the Storm Ion Pro. We're just going to go ahead and film one full game, and let's see how we do. Four pin. Still a nice ball motion there. I'm going to go straight at this one. So starting off with a 9 spare, overall that was a nice motion, right? So I know when I'm looking for bowling balls to be in my bowling bag, I'm looking for something that is stable and controllable, it's predictable. And I always like the word benchmark. That's always a cool ball to have. Tugged it there. What am I seeing? Well, the last one there, I used my thumb too much and kind of twisted it. But so far, the ball reaction, I think it's going to be really cool for my bag, but I was a little distracted there on the right. But I am going to get this spare and then just stay focused. Take that, guy behind the curtain. Take that. So as you guys can see, I got a guy behind the curtain, and if you haven't seen that, it's our running joke right now. And that guy's not even giving me strikes. They won't see it. Jeff's gonna edit it out. How about that? The things he does. The cool part is you get to actually see how I'm bowling. All right, let's make a good shot here. Seven pin. I think I held on to that one a little bit again, but just got to let it roll off the hand. Got to breathe. Okay. Started off with a few spares. 9 spare, 7 spare, 9 spare. Let's see if I can get a few strikes on the board. Okay, as you guys can see, that ball reaction was pretty sweet. This bowler needs to take a chill pill. So down in the comments, what's your favorite benchmark ball to date? You know, is it like the IQ Tours, the Phase 2? You guys think it's going to be the Ion Pro? What's your go-to ball? Four pin. Ah, got a strike. All right, we'll get this one out of the way and think I'm going to make another 2-in-1 adjustment to my left. Just let it float to the right. All right. We're halfway through the game, got a few spares up there and a strike. And I would say all of that's on me. I do like the ball, the colors, the motion. It smells like kiwi tart too. So I'm gonna make a 2-in-1. Kind of let it float out to the right, meaning that I'm not trying to hit on it too much, just kind of let it do its thing. Hooked a lot. Get this spare. But I do like the ball motion here. It's stable. It's something I'd like to use. I just think I need to take my time here on a couple shots, and then I can show you guys some strikes. Okay, a little disappointing there as far as the start with this one. All right. Take a deep breath. Got 4 frames to go. There's a nice shot. If you guys have been watching, that was the best one yet. So I'm really excited to make some surface adjustments with this ball. That's something that we've talked about in other videos, maintaining your ball maintenance. So I think this would be good at different surface cover stocks as far as the grit. All right, another strike on the board. Whoop, whoop. All right, we got ourselves a double. That's good news. I don't know if that struck. Didn't mark it. Oh, there it goes. All right, couple more shots to finish. There we go. We got a few in a row. So the Storm Ion Pro is pretty sweet. Going into the 10th frame, see if I can punch out. A little further right, and 10 pin. So that one slowed down a little bit because I got it further to the right at the break point, and it saw the friction sooner, meaning that it slowed down and it turned the corner a little too early. So that's why I left the 10 pin there. All right, last shot. Last shot with the Storm Ion Pro for the video today. Try to make it a good one. Right through the 8 pin. So overall, an essential ball in your bag. It's really unique, and you know, I think I could have taken my time on a couple more shots there, but that's all right. The Storm Ion Pro is going to be really awesome, a really unique ball. I think it'll be essential in everyone's bag. Head to proapproachbowling.com, use code YouTube, save 5%. That's it. Oh yeah, watch more videos.